Greetings, young explorers of the financial universe. Welcome back to our wondrous channel, where we transform complex concepts into captivating tales. Today, get ready to embark on an exciting journey into the realm of options trading as we introduce you to a fascinating character, the magical Options Gamma, also known as the Curvature Wizard of Trading. Picture a land where stars twinkle brightly in the night sky, each representing a different option. Now, imagine a friendly wizard, Options Gamma, armed with a magical telescope that reveals hidden paths on the trading chart. You see, options have a mystical quality. Their value doesn't just change with time, but it can also change how fast it changes. This is where the Curvature Wizard, Options Gamma, comes into play. With a wave of his wand, he shows us how the rate of change in option value can speed up or slow down. Just like a roller coaster that can suddenly speed up or slow down, Options Gamma influences how the value of options accelerates or decelerates as things change. When a magical star option is far away from its target, Options Gamma can make it speed up, making the journey more exciting. But when it gets closer to the target, the Curvature Wizard might ease off the speed, creating a smoother ride. In the magical market world, Options Gamma is like the guide that helps traders understand how fast things are changing and whether the roller coaster is zipping or cruising. His wisdom empowers you to make clever choices and navigate the twists and turns of trading with a wizard's finesse. Join us on this enchanting voyage into the world of Options Gamma, the Curvature Wizard of Trading. Discover the magic behind the rate of change and amplify your trading knowledge. If you found this spellbinding adventure enchanting, remember to sprinkle a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more captivating revelations. Until our next encounter, trade courageously and may the Curvature Wizard light your path.